For my direct instruction reading lesson plan, my outline is letter sound correspondence. Examples are A, M, T, S, I, F, R. My objective is to prepare the students for sounding out words with these letters in them. My materials would be a chalkboard and chalk. 2 is auditory skills. My examples are Matt, Sam, Tim, Fat, Ram, Far, It, At, Am. My objective is to prepare students for reading. My materials will be chalkboard and chalk. 3 is sounding out. My examples are Matt, Sam, Tim, Fat, Ram, Far, It, At, and Am. My objective is to prepare students for reading, followed by the correct pronunciation if wrong. My materials would be chalkboard and chalk. 4 is letter writing. My examples are A, M, T, S, I, F, R. My objectives is to prepare students for writing the alphabet correctly. My materials would be chalkboard and chalk. Now for my script. The model teacher, I would write on the board Matt, Sam, Tim, Fat, Ram, Far, It, At, and Am. And I would state instructions to the class. I'm going to sound out this word. When I touch a letter, I'll say its sound. I'll keep saying the sound until I touch the next letter. I won't stop between sounds. I will then model sounding out the first word. My turn to sound out this word. Get ready. I'm going to touch under each letter that represents a continuous sound for 1 to 1.5 seconds, and under the letters that represent stop sounds for only an instant. Matt as the first example. Then I would lead students to sounding out the word. I would point to the left of the word. Sound out this word with me. Get ready. I would use a signal and touch under the letters. I would then sound out the word with the students until they respond correctly. I would then test the students on the word. I would point to the left of the word. Your turn. Sound out this word by yourselves. Get ready. I would signal and touch under the letters. I would then have several students sound out the word individually. Ryan, sound it out. Get ready. And then I would signal. I would then repeat these steps with the rest of the words on the board. My prompt is you're going to sound out, I would say instructions would be you're going to sound out each word. After you sound out the word correctly, you'll say it fast. I would point to the left of the first word. Sound it out. Get ready. I would touch under each letter for 1 to 1.5 seconds for continuous sounds and for an instant for stop sounds. After the students sound out the word correctly, I would then move my finger back to the beginning of the word immediately and say what word, and then signal. I would then repeat these steps with the remaining words written on the board. For my check, I would give individual tests and call on several students to sound out each word.